So hi there everybody, we're going to continue with our videos in Introduction to Vedic Mathematics, and we're going to deal now with algebraic products. Now the vertically and crosswise method of multiplication described and shown before, that is in the previous videos, since Vedic Maths um, 2, can be also applied to multiply polynomials in one line. So just for example, if we are to expand these multiplication process, these two binomials. So if we're going to make use of the vertically and crosswise. Though I cannot um, illustrate it here, I will illustrate in the future video. But right now, let's do this mentally. So 2x, first the vertical method, 2x times 3x is going to give us 6x squared. And then 2x times minus 5 is minus 10x plus the product of 4 times 3x, so that's 12x. 12x minus 10x is going to give us plus 2x. And then 4 times negative 5 is going to give us negative 20x, which gives us a solution, which is 6x squared plus 2x minus 20. So I'm going to go back with this in the next video, showing you the full illustrated process. So this is an important principle which has harmonizing effects relating to algebra. And whenever we put x as equal to 10. So we can turn an algebraic expression into a number and vice versa. So this is somehow like a proof of how things happen also in algebraic products. So for example, we have 652. It may be treated as 6x squared plus 5x plus 2 when x is equal to 10. So this number is equal to this um, expression whenever x is equal to 10. So meaning um, how we treat these algebraic products is somehow the same as how we treat numbers. So therefore, the procedures that we can do with numbers can also be done with algebraic products. So that's why the vertically and crosswise method, together with other algorithms, can be applied in both algebra and also in arithmetic. Okay, so let's have more examples. So this is a 3 by 3 example. I'm going to show you a solution of this. So the answer will be this. Okay, so this is like multiplying a 3-digit number by a 3-digit number. Okay, so we have vertical, we have a lot of crosswise methods, and then vertical in the last. But I'm going to show you this answer in the next video, making use of a sketch pad. And these are our practice. Okay, so if you want, you can pause the video and try it right now, or you may want to wait for the next video. So I will stop it here. Okay, take a screenshot and maybe you can answer it on your own on a piece of paper, and then we're going to answer that and rationalize in the next video. So hope you would like and subscribe, and see you soon in the next video. The answers will be there and the step-by-step solution. So thank you very much.